Hello friends, this is Rakesh from Pharma Front. Today I am going to discuss you about the 12 career options for the pharmacy students who are willing to take the B Pharmacy and also who are pursuing the B Pharmacy, and the salary based on the career option. Here are the 12 career options for the pharma students. First is pharma industry, second is research and development, third is government organization, fourth option is hospital, clinical and community pharmacy, fifth option is clinical research, sixth option is pharma marketing, seventh is academics, eighth is medical transcription, ninth is pharmacovigilance, 10th is advertising agencies, 11th is abroad option, and 12th is business options. First option is pharma industry. When it comes to the pharma industry, again there are four categories of job profiles. First is production and marketing. In production, the workplace will be in the bulk industry. The salary starts from 12 to 15,000 for the freshers and 18 to 20,000 for the experienced candidates. And in second category is the formulation development, where the salary starts from 12 to 15,000 again for the freshers and 18 to 20,000 for the experienced candidates. The third is the quality assurance. This profile is most of the work is as documentation work, and the salary starts from 18 to 20,000 for the freshers and 20 to 25,000 for the experienced candidates. And when it comes to quality control, the salary starts from 15 to 20,000 per month for the freshers and 25 to 30,000 for the experienced candidates. Please keep in mind that the salary differs from the MNCs to local based companies and also depends upon your interview performance. Second option, research and development. The role is to identify or to discover the new drug and the new molecule or the new drug delivery system. The salary starts from 40 to 45,000 for the freshers and 60 to 70,000 for the experienced candidates. The candidates who can apply in research and development will be pharmacy and the PhD students. Third option is government organizations, where the foremost candidates who are looking for the government sector jobs. Here are some of the classified jobs for you. First is the drug inspector. The pay scale would be from 35 to 40,000 per month. Second is drug controller, where the pay scale starts from 55,000 to 60,000 per month. And also as a scientist in CSIR, where the pay scale would be from 30 to 90,000 per month. And also as a government pharmacist in all government area hospitals and railways and armed forces, where the pay scale would be from 20 to 25,000 per month. Fourth option is hospital, clinical and community pharmacies. Here the role will be as a pharmacist in hospitals, where the pay scale will be from 12 to 15,000 per month for the fresher candidates and 18 to 20,000 for the experienced candidates. And when it comes to clinical pharmacies, the salary starts from 12 to 15,000 per month for the fresher candidates. And in community pharmacies, the salary starts from 12 to 15,000 per the month and also 18 to 20,000 for the experienced candidates. Fifth option is clinical research. The role involved is clinical testing and also the research of new drugs on the patients, toxicology study, bioequivalence study and also the pharmacokinetic study. Here the salary starts from 20 to 25,000 per month and for the fresher candidates and 25 to 30,000 per experienced candidates. Sixth option is pharma marketing. The role is of sales and promotion of the pharma brands to the doctors, hospitals or chemists and etc. The salary starts from 18 to 20,000 for the fresher candidates and 25 to 30,000 for the experienced candidates. Seventh option is academics. When it comes to academics, teaching profession is one, where the M-Pharmacy pass out students can work as a professor in all B-Pharmacy colleges, and the B-Pharmacy pass out students can also apply for as a lab technician in the B-Pharmacy colleges. The salary starts from 15 to 22,000 per month for the fresher candidates and 25 to 30,000 per experienced candidates. Ninth option is medical transcription. For the pharma generals and medical writing assessment, there is a requirement of pharma graduates. Here, the process of converting the voice commands that is dictated from any doctor or the healthcare profession to an electronic format is the basic role. Here, the salary starts from 15 to 20,000 per month for the fresher candidates. Ninth option, pharmacovigilance. Here the basic role will be frames of work for the both clinical trials and also the post-market surveillance. The salary starts from 20 to 25,000 for the freshers and 30 to 50,000 for the experienced candidates. 10th option is advertisement agencies. Here the pharma and the healthcare advertising as a new trend which is going up in now in the social and also digital market promotion of the pharma companies and the brands. The salary starts from 15 to 20,000 for the fresh year candidates and 20 to 25,000 for the experienced candidates. 11th option is abroad. Pharma graduate students who are willing to work in abroad can work as a registered pharmacist in USA, UK, Australia, Canada and Gulf countries. Salary starts from 50 to 60 US dollars per hour. 12th option, last but not the least option, is our own business option. Pharma graduated students who can have their own industry, own distribution chain system and also own pharmacy shop.